Do you want to learn how to program industrial robots? Looking for a hands-on, engaging way to dive into the world of automation? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to our Yaskawa Training with Black Box playlist. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the process of integrating and programming a Yaskawa industrial robot using the innovative Black Box system and VEX components. Whether you're a student, educator, or industry professional, this playlist is your key to unlocking the power of robotics. We'll cover everything from basic system setup and configuration to more advanced concepts like drawing with the robot. Learn how to command the robot to draw various shapes, understanding fundamental move commands like linear, circular, and spline movements. We'll even show you how to create a heart shape. Controlling inputs and outputs. Explore how to control VEX actuators like motors and pneumatic systems, integrate sensors for real-time feedback, and manage multiple devices simultaneously. Building an automated conveyor system. Combine your knowledge to create a fully automated system where the robot picks objects from a moving conveyor belt and places them precisely. Mastering palletizing. Learn how to program the robot for palletizing tasks, arranging objects in various formations on a pallet using loops, position variables, and iterative programming techniques. We'll be using the intuitive Black Box web interface to configure our system and VEXcode EXP to download the configuration to the VEX brain. We'll break down each step with clear instructions, illustrations, and code examples, making it easy to follow along and build your own projects. We even provide troubleshooting tips to help you overcome any challenges. Ready to program industrial robots and use the Black Box? Get early access to our hands-on training course. Click the link in the description to register and be among the first to learn. Subscribe and hit the bell for more robotics content. Happy learning!